This is a Turkish Get Up. Begin in a fetal position and grasp the kettlebell with both hands in order to safely get into the start position. Once in the supine position, your right leg and right arm will be 45 degrees from your body. Dig in your heels, roll over to your elbow, post up onto your hand, and then sweep your foot underneath into a perfect triangle. Hinge in order to leverage yourself and get fully under the bell. You will then lunge, tall stand, and reverse the motion back. Don't forget to hinge instead of bending towards the ground. At this point, spread the earth apart in order to activate your abs and slowly, carefully bring the bell back down into a safe position. Enjoy.